Today we will learn how to sketch the graph of a quadratic function in standard form. So the standard form of a quadratic equation is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And we know that the graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola, and the shape of the graph is like this: happy face or a sad face. Okay, let's do a question. We have an equation, quadratic equation, y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. In order to identify or in order to sketch the graph of this function, the first thing we need to identify is the nature of the graph. So how can we identify that? By looking at the coefficient of the x square. So if you look at the coefficient, positive 1. So whenever we have a positive coefficient, it means that the graph would be a happy face. So what will we do now? We are going to find the x-intercepts. After identifying that the graph would be a happy face, that the parabola would be a happy face, we are going to find the x-intercepts. So x-intercepts would be, by placing y is equal to 0, we can find the x-intercepts. So whenever you have to find x-intercepts, you have to place y is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 8. We have to do middle term break. The factors are 4 and 2. So plus 4 minus 2 would give us 2, and 4 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 8. Common from the first two terms is x, and from the next two terms is minus 2. So we have x plus 4 x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can put x plus 4 is equal to 0 according to the zero product principle, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 2. So it means that our parabola is passing through x-axis at these 2 points, minus 4 and 2. It would be something like this. From minus 4 and 2. So this would be minus 4 0, and this is 2 0, because we know that on x-axis our y coordinate is 0. So first of all you have to find x-intercepts. The second step would be to find y-intercept. Basically we have this thing as our y-intercept, so we need to find this. In order to find y-intercept, we have to place x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 square plus 2 into 0 minus 8. So it would be y is equal to minus 8. So this is our y-intercept, and the previous two were our x-intercept. So our y-intercept is minus 8. So you can see that our y-intercept is below the origin. So it must be a negative value, negative y coordinate. So I can write the coordinates here: 0 minus 8. Now we need to find the turning point. This is one of the most important thing that students need to understand, and turning point would be here. We need to find the turning point. Let me make it more clear for you. This thing is 0 minus 8. Okay, in order to find the turning point, we have to use the following formula. For turning point, whenever your equation is given in the standard form, you can easily apply x is equal to minus b over 2a. Basically, it gives us the x coordinate of the turning point. This x is basically the x coordinate of the turning point. So what is b and a? Let me write the original equation so that you can identify b and a from there. This is the equation we have. So our a is 1 and our b is 2. So now just substitute the values: minus 2 over 2 into a. So the answer is minus 1. So we have x coordinate that is equal to minus 1. So the turning point x coordinate is minus 1. Now we need to find the y coordinate, and in order to find the y coordinate, we just need to substitute our x coordinate in the original equation. So our equation was y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to put the value minus 1 into the original equation. So I'm going to substitute it. So we have 1 minus 2 minus 8. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 8. So the y coordinate of the turning point is minus 9. So it would be minus 9.